If you sell athletic clothing, creating mockups will help you to market and sell your products. Let's check out 10 athletic product mockups that you can design using Placeit. Be sure to check out the links in the description of this video for a special eStoreKings discount that will save you 15% on a Placeit membership. First up on our list of activewear mockups is leggings. According to dataintello.com, the global leggings market was valued at $29.1 billion US in 2019, and it's expected to reach $45.2 billion by 2026. So selling leggings in your online store is definitely a smart decision. And with Placeit, you have close to 300 different leggings mockups to choose from. Next up, we have duffel bags. Duffel bags are quite popular in the print-on-demand space and can make your catalog offering a little more dynamic. A neat thing about Placeit is that if you like a particular model, you can actually view all of their mockups. This helps to keep your marketing material consistent. Here we have sleeveless shirt mockups. As you can see, there is a good variety of different activities taking place in these mockups, from skipping to boxing to jogging. Sports bras are a top seller, and Placeit has close to 500 different mockups for this clothing item. Note that some of the mockups we're looking at today give you the ability to showcase multiple articles of clothing in one mockup. For example, many of these sports bra mockups also feature leggings. Hoodies fly off the shelf whether they are athletic or not. Here we have tons of different hoodies and models in different athletic themed poses. Number 6. Water bottles. Water bottles can be an attractive upsell in any store. You can add your company logo to them, a cool design, or even a pattern that covers the entire bottle. An activewear list wouldn't be complete without shorts. Here we have many different styles of shorts, along with a good range of athletic poses and settings. Next up are Racerback tank tops. Similar to the sleeveless shirts we saw earlier, these tank tops are very popular among athletes as well as gym and health enthusiasts. Keep in mind that not only are these mockups great for product photos on your website, they also lend themselves nicely to social media posts and print material like flyers, posters, and so on. Number 9 on our list is a neat one. Placeit has mockups for yoga mats. If you own a yoga apparel store and sell yoga mats, these mockups are perfect for you. The last mockups on our list are for jogging pants. Jogging pants have largely turned into a fashionable and casual clothing item, but are still used to work out in. People also wear them when traveling from home to the gym or practice field and back. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Placeit videos and tutorials.